To qualify an electrician in Florida, firstly verify their certification. Ensure the electrician holds a current and valid electrical contractor qualifier license issued by the State of Florida Construction Licensing Board. You can verify their license status online at the FLCLB website. Secondly, obtain a qualifier designation packet. Request this packet from the FLCLB by phone at 850.487-1395 or by email at. Complete the packet, providing the contractor's name and license number, the electrician's name and license number, and the name and address of the project for which the electrician will be qualified. Thirdly, submit the packet. Mail the completed qualified designation packet to the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation Construction Licensing Board, 2601 Blairstone Road, Tallahassee, Florida 32399.2308. Fourthly, pay the required qualification fee, which is currently $60. The processing time for qualifying an electrician typically takes 5 to 7 business days. Please note that the electrical qualifier you obtain will only be valid for the specific project you have designated. If you plan to use the electrician for multiple projects, you will need to repeat the qualification process for each project. It is your responsibility as the contractor to ensure that the electrician you qualify has the necessary experience, knowledge, and skills to perform the electrical work on your project.